Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. You know what, ne? I'm in the car and just contemplating whether to do the vlog or whatever. Even from home, I was just thinking, should I do the vlog or should I not? I don't know. But if this goes out, then welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like the subscribe button and follow. And what's there?
Well.
That's how long I've taken the break. But yeah, anyways, so we are at China Center in Randburg. I just want to see some things out, and I just want to see what they have and if I can buy the things that we gonna need for Christmas. Your girl is hosting for Christmas, but it's okay. I can make a separate vlog on that. But yeah, so that I'm just here to shop things that I want. Most importantly, the blinds, curtains, and just see what they have. I've been meaning to come to this China Center all the time when I come from work. I'm like, I want to go there, I want to go there. So now is the time for me to be here. So let's go in, get whatever that we need to get, and I hope they have a special. But yeah, I would show you my outfit, but obviously my bag, errand bag, have everything I need in there. Actually, I will need a bubble gum. I will need that for me not to think too much. Yeah. Don't know whether to take my water bottle or what, but okay. So this is the first stop, and then the second stop will be probably the clearance at home clearance store. We'll see what we can get from there, and yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit when I come back, né?
kunzima.
Back in the car. Also bought myself this. What's Rio Light? Bought myself this drink. I saw it nice. Strawberry. Hey, boy, this thing. Anyways, I'm not gonna drink too much of it. I just want to taste it. Guys, what I can tell you about this place. Oh, Chinese know what they're here for, guys. Haibo, quality here. Yo, on some other shame. There's on some other, but anyways, I got the things that I wanted, that I at least wanted. Now, let's quickly run to what's this place? At home clearance. I just want to compare prices and check what I can get. But with the blinds, I did see the blinds, but I just told myself that I need to start at China Mall first. I need to at least say that I was able to save like a cent or something, because they're very nice, but yeah, let's go. I'll show you guys when I get there. Yeah, because I need to navigate and stuff. Nah, this is very actually nice. Chinese brand, Rio Light. Yo, hi, anyways, I'm done for today. I think, or should I still go do groceries? I could, because I still have time. But I got at home clearance store. They were already closing, but at least there were some people inside, so again. I got the couch that we both love, so yeah, all good stuff. I'll show you guys inside the vlog and the couch that we chose. It's gonna be delivered tomorrow, because at the China Center the couch was 20.5, and then here I got it for it was 14,400, but I don't know, they removed the 1,000 and it was like 13 point something, 13.2 or something. But yeah, which is nice and a bargain. So yeah, bit by bit getting ready for Christmas. But the blinds, China Mall, I'm not gonna spend chelete engata. We're not gonna spend too much money, me and my mans. So definitely I have to go negotiate something of some sort there at China Mall. So right now, I don't know, my battery's even dying, and I don't know, this cable is not charging properly as it's supposed to. I don't know whether to go back home or go buy groceries so that tomorrow I don't have to go out. And even if I go buy groceries, where will I want to go? I'll go nearby my house. Probably I should go to Northgate. I don't know if they have Pick and Pay, because I want Pick and Pay. Okay. Ciao, Felicia. Ciao. Morning. It's a Sunday, and yeah, it's windy. Anyways, Well, we woke up and just decided to bath. My boyfriend had to go somewhere, so I just took a bath as well. Morning! Today's a Sunday and obviously another day. So, nah guys, nengang judging, but I woke up and I was like, Khalelu machine, an espresso, a coffee machine. I beg. I told her. I said, okay. I said, yes, babe, ne. Machine. Babe, that's okay. I said, okay. So, today, just want to clean up now and then tidy the house and then go to groceries. Yesterday, I was very tired. Yes, missing Jika. I was like, I'm going home because I'm tired. So I'll buy groceries today, buy my coffee machine today, visit Nespresso, and see if I can find those. What are they called? Dupes or yeah, but the flavor, no. And then yeah, yesterday, Footy, at that clearance store, at home clearance store, I saw the other Nespresso pots, ne? But I think that one is just to frost the milk. It was just to frost or whatever, but but to make it creamy. That part is aside. So on the machine that I'm going to buy now, I didn't see that part. So now I'm thinking, oh. So probably when time goes, I will buy it. No? Or if I go again to the outlet and then I'll buy it. But now I just want to see my coffee machine there next to my kettle. No? So let me tidy up, let me clean up the house. I'm receiving the couches today that I bought. And then hopefully, because I also ordered a sleigh bed, hopefully they're done with it and they're going to deliver it today. So let me quickly tidy up and then I should be leaving the house, I don't know, because now, I'm not sure about the time now, but it's around like 8 going to 9. I should be leaving the house by probably past. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to time myself, but I should be leaving the house very early so that kungavalwe in my shop. And later on, I have a hair appointment. I think in my nails. I'm not sure. I'll see when I get to the salon. But definitely my hair. For my wigs. Yeah? I have to wear a wig on Christmas and be able to take it out when I'm feeling hard for. Nah. I don't want it busy. Yeah. So yeah. I'll see you guys once I am done cleaning up. It's a good thing that I already bathed actually, so that I can just wear whatever I want to wear and then leave. Nah. See y'all. I'm done cleaning. And guess what? So, I'm done cleaning. I'm very tired. Am I the only one that, after cleaning, I just want to sit down and not do anything else? Because it's taskile, and considering that I had to move other couches, well, the couches that we no longer using, and then clean before these people come. But anyways, the couches are here and they're very pretty. I'm not gonna open them now. I'm not gonna open them now, but now I want to prepare something to eat because I haven't eaten. So I want to eat, and then here are the couches. I want to eat and then get ready. It's 12 lunch, so I wanna eat I'm eating noodles again that I bought from China Center. Noodles and coffee. Hopefully I'm doing coffee manually today. Nah, hope so. What's wrong with my voice now? I hope so. But yeah, so let me eat and then I'll catch you guys when I leave. As in, I'm tired already and I'm just treating myself. But since things have to be done, then definitely I am going out. I need to buy a headboard for the guest bedroom. Yeah. After that, just pay for it. I think I'll come get it tomorrow. Yeah, we'll go get it tomorrow. And then groceries today. Really need groceries today, so that I can cook. And normally I love coffee, so normally I have a big cup of coffee, but because manje kumele ngiphume and kumele ngiyobona ukuthi ngiyawuthola yini umshini wami we-espresso. And I know myself, I'll be looking at syrups but this will be the corner. I just need to set it up in that fridge. But this will be the corner. Set it up well. I'm thinking of getting those lamp lights, like the LED lights, the bar lights, something like that for here, so that it's a light. Aesthetics. But yeah, these noodles come with ngiyabaza ngithi vele nento eyiningi zoketa. Oh, ngimojahile today. La wafaka emicrowave ke uvela uthi nje manzi ngibona. I should be doing a grocery list because I don't want to buy as unnecessary, because I'm still going to be buying more groceries on the 24th. Did I tell you guys that we're hosting for Christmas? Yes, Lala, I'm hosting my in-laws for Christmas. So it has to be good. Nah. Yes, it has to be good. But nonetheless, let me just reflect for you guys, like chit-chat moments, just a bit. So this year, I have a lot to be grateful for. Nah. But the last time I was here on TikTok, on YouTube, nah, I was doing my license. I don't know if you guys remember. I was in the process of doing my license. On the day when I was going to get that thing, what's that? Oh, when I was going to be tested, ne? Or the day being tested, I received a phone call from like an institution where I was preparing for my trade test, and then they were like, "Hello, girl, your date is out. We are ready for you." Hey, I was like, well, things are aligning, and they, you know what? Went, took my test, my driver's license test. I passed it, got my temporary, and then a week, they give you a week to prepare, and then you trade. You prepare, pasta, first attempt. Qualified electrician. Ni artisan mine phelele ntombazana. Nawe mfana. But overall, I'm just grateful for this year. Like a lot happened and there's a lot to be grateful for. So yeah. Cheers. I'm grateful, Shem. Yes, grateful. Yim, oh grateful. Baba. Guys, I think they're fine now. This is the whole jar. And there you go. You just put water. This reminds me of boarding. You know, at boarding school, we just used to use water because we didn't have my electronics and stuff, my microwave and appliances. So, what did I say? Electronics. Anyways, appliances. So we used to use water. So let me drain this and then. Guys, it's raining. It's raining. But anyways, let's go. Have my bag. Have my list. Yeah. Just an update. Just an update. My cheeks are so hot. I don't know why, but they're very hot. But anyways, I just got at 4 Ways Mall. And I bought one of these again from China Center because I went to China Center again today. And I actually used my 10% off. So now I'm a VIP customer there. So I used my 10% off. Like I literally paid a couple of stuff that I bought and the headboard. Because isn't thing is Tatile, they amounted to 1.6, I think. I ended up paying I'm not sure, 1 point something. But because I was still new on the thingy. But anyways, I'm going to buy groceries and then I am going to obviously try to get my coffee machine. And then if I do get the coffee machine, then we're going to find capsules. Are they called capsules or dopes or whatever? But yeah. And then the frothing machine, I don't have it. I don't have to buy it now, but eventually I will. So let's go. But first I need to take my stand in the boot so that if I decide to do something content wise, then I have it. But that will drain my battery, actually, come to think of it. But I will give you shots and snippets of whatever that I take. And yeah, so yeah, peace out. I'm gaining weight, yes, I'm gonna la. But anyways, bye. Morning. It's only appropriate for me to just come on days and just say morning, because this vlog is just so everywhere and whatever. But morning, it's a Sunday today, really not doing much, and I'm thinking of just closing this vlog. Anyways, I went to do my hair last night. And then I got my I'm very happy, Shem. I'm very happy. I'm not gonna unbox it now because I want to make it nice first. I got my USB thingies, the lights that I said I wanted. I got them and I got 2 of them. I don't know how I want my corner to be. Let me show you. So this is what's happening there right now. I have to also bring the other teas out and just make this just a corner, like a coffee bar or a tea bar or a hot beverage, basically. So I got these and I wanted to put them up here. I don't know where to put the other one, I'll see. But just this place can stand out. So I was just I was searching on TikTok, on how girlies do their coffee bars or like your hot beverage, because I don't want to say tea bar or whatever. So I need a stand for that where I can put my capsules. But even if I don't have it, but if I can just make it nice, if I don't get the stand for that, because the stand, it's where you can put your capsules underneath. If you don't have the stand, then you can just organize a bowl or something to put your capsules in. So we'll come back to that one. Yeah. So basically I'll just come back with the rest of the vlog on the next vlog. But for now and here, I'd like to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching my video once more. This is my Christmas preparations, and just bit by bit. I know I'm very close to Christmas now and I haven't gotten most of the stuff that I wanted to get, but I will get them before Christmas, especially the blinds, the Christmas tree. I haven't got it. The blinds, what else? Yeah, those are the major ones that I wanted to have by now. As for the other stuff, they're still gonna be delivered and we have progress there. But for now, ciao my dear, ciao. Bruh, I feel bad that I didn't even show you guys what I bought from China Center again. But it's okay, we'll do that on the next vlog, where I show you guys everything that I bought from China Center. And I'm still gonna add, that place is like, that place is, I don't know, it wants you to come back and back and back and back and back again. But thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel once more and once again if you are a new subscriber. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. Thank you so much for watching till this far. Okay, bye.